Nice to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Ko Darren Rewi tēnei, he Kaumātua e whakatauana I ngā manuhiri. He mahi I a rā.
Nō mai whakatau mai rā ki te whare.
Nā, kua tū tōna ringa hei koromatua mō Whakatipu-Wai-Māori.
The mayoral local body elections started looming over the horizon, and I thought, and especially after what was happening on Kaumātua, the shot over river, not only did it not sit well with my te ao Māori, my cultural values, but it just didn't sit right with me as a citizen, as a community member.
He tangata hāpori a Rewi mā roto mai I ana mahi hei Kaumātua. Kaumātua, nāna I whakatūria ai te kaupapa o mana tahuna, kia hāpai I a Ngāi Māori me Ngāi Pasifika I ngā take o te kōwhiori te kaumā iwa. Aha koa he nui ngā kaupapa kei ona ringaringa, ko te awa o Kaumātua e noho mātāmua nei mā Rewi.
One of the drivers for me was the debacle that was and is the shot over river and the sewage that was being released into there on a daily basis. And when you look back at how that unfolded, how other issues around this town have unfolded and around the wider area have unfolded, for me, there seems to be a lack of what I perceive as leadership.
Ko Whakatipu-Wai-Māori tētahi o ngā tino wāhi tūruhi I Aotearoa nei. E mohio ana a Rewi me wānanga te hāpori nā runga I te whakawhanake haere o te taha tūruhi.
We're a bit of a cash cow for the government because our GST take from here is significant to the country's GDP. So they're going to want to increase tourism in here, they're going to want to increase development in here. So how do we have that conversation? How do we manage that? We've signed the regional deal, so we have to lean into that. We have to be able to give them a plan to move forward, but also they have to see that we're doing stuff that gives them confidence.
He wero nui kei mua I te aroaro mā Rewi, I aia e whai ana I te tūranga teitei. Engari anō mo tōna aronga nui, he whai hua mo tōna hāpori.
It's about giving back, acknowledging all the people that have been here and have built up this into what we know now as a huge, beautiful space, the wider district, whether it's from Glenorchy to Makarora, Wanaka, all those spaces. We've got a really cool space that we want to look after.
Tāre ana te wā mena ka kite I tēnei kaumatua, hei koromatua mo tōna rahi. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.